Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And if you're a regular here, you did know. Look at these fingernails. There's no video for them. They were just something I did for fun. But today it's part 2 of Back to Basics. And we're gonna remove this. This is nail polish on top of polygel. We're not taking the polygel off. But that's what we're gonna do. This is how to remove nail polish with acetone. So for me, I like to use cotton balls. You can use cotton rounds if you prefer, the little pads, but I like cotton balls. It really doesn't make a huge difference. I like to just get, a few out. If you use less, you can put them away, but if you need them, you have them. So let me zoom in. All right, and then this is 100% pure acetone. You can get this at Walmart, at Sally's, on Amazon, all over the place, but it's just fingernail polish remover. A lot of the fingernail polish remover that you'll buy, if you don't make sure it's 100% pure, it'll have oils in it and it'll be less strong. So it's more for the conditioning of your nails and skin, which is great, but this gets polish off much quicker. So this is what I like to use. I have a glove on this hand because I have nails under here, and if I hold these cotton balls with these nails, it'll ruin the nails. And so I'm gonna try not to. Acetone will also dissolve your rubber gloves if you let it sit too long, so I'm gonna try and do as little of that as possible. Generally, I would say if you're going to do something like this, just do both hands, take them both off. So you want to put this here, and I like to give it just a little bit of a squeeze so it pushes some of that liquid into that cotton ball and it's not too dry. Set that out of the way so it's safe. And then you want to get that on the nail like that and then start rubbing, covering that whole nail. Now, if you want to let it sit on there and soak for a bit, you absolutely can, because it will help to break that down, but I find rubbing to be the fastest method to go ahead and get that to come off. Now, I'm going to tell you, I have on so many layers of nail polish right now because I was experimenting. So, generally, it's going to be a lot faster if you've only got on like 2 layers. But look at the progress we've made already. It's just got a little bit on here. And so you just keep rubbing until you get it all off. Sometimes if you've got patches of polish left, it will hang on to your cotton ball and make it a little bit stringy. But you can rub that off. Now we have that one completely clean. It is that easy. You don't have to have any special chemicals. You don't have to have any special tools. Acetone takes it right off. Let's go ahead and remove these others. All right, so we've got 2 clean. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fresh cotton ball just because I have so much to remove. That one got kind of raggedy. And then the same thing, so put it on there and give it a little gentle, very slight squeeze just to push some product in there, some of that liquid. Look, it even fell on here. Make sure you're not using acetone over anything that you care about. Definitely no plastics, definitely no electronics. Don't do it over fabrics either because it can bleach. Acetone is a chemical and it can ruin your things. I have a silicone mat right here and you can get it on that, so that's okay. All right. Our gloves are starting to struggle, but we're gonna get one more cotton ball and we're gonna get this thumb done. All right, we have got those off. I need to wash my hands. They're a bit gross, so I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Here's my other hand. I've got these nails on. There's also no video for them. They were just for funsies. But these are clean, polish-free, and ready to be painted on again. What do you think of this shape? I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of like the Russian almond, but it's flat on the end, so I've been calling it the Russian coffin, and it's shaped like this. It's square, and I really like that. So what we're gonna want to do is you want to get some lotion or something like that to rehydrate, but I have cuticle oil. So we're going to put some of that on here. I got this from actually Saki Cosmetics at a PBE. So I am going to put that all around my cuticles in plenty. That way I can rub it on my hands as well. Definitely want to hydrate after rubbing chemicals on your hand. Acetone is very drying for your skin. It doesn't hurt to actually get this onto your nails either, especially if you're taking it down to your natural nail. Hydrate those puppies as well. They will thank you for it. So that's it. That's how you remove your nail polish with acetone. Regular nail polish. It will not be the same for gel polish. Gel is a whole different thing, and we will get to that in the future, but this is for our beginners. So I hope you have found this useful, and I hope you have enjoyed this video as well. Please do make sure that you are subscribed so you're not missing my content. I do all kinds of things over here with all kinds of mediums, and so we have a good time. Definitely be here. Check the description down below. There are links, there are discount codes, and my links to my social medias. Make sure you're following me over there so you don't miss the content that I post there and not necessarily here. And then make sure you're part of my Facebook group for the Amazon discounts as well. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.